some of these ferns here. Had some spruce tip tea today too. I saw spruce right over there. But we light some of these bad boys up. Hey, it's Quinn the Eskimo up in the ADK. Just gonna light up some ferns that you got over there. Gonna light them up with Nathan 4071 ferro rod, one of the first ones I got from him, and my Opinel number 8 knife. I was 4 below this morning. Now it's like 30 degrees. It's beautiful. I'm just gonna light this up real quick, man. There she goes, right there. See her lighting up? Look at that. Just with the ferro rod. So if you're on a bunch of the ferns, you gotta be real careful with fire. But you can light up, if they're nice and dry, you can light them up directly. Use them as tinder. That's it. So, just a quick little ditty here. Just be careful when you're making fires around these things. They can go up, man. And I see them all over the world, so you take care. It's Quinn the Eskimo, ferro rod, and Instagram. At the deer camp, my day to cook, so I'm staying back a little bit. I should have been already out there. I would have been. Our gas grill failed here at the camp, so I had to make a fire here. And I'm going to cook some kielbasa with some cloves on. I got the other stuff cooking in the cabin. But didn't plan on doing this. But we have to know how to make fires, and we did. So that's what I'm doing right now. Got a fire going, need a little smoke. That's what I'm doing. So I'm going to put the kielbasa on and feels good though. Nice day, one of the nicest days we had up here. So I'm gonna put the kielbasa on, got the fire, I just have to grill it up a little bit, then I'll put it in the, we got a crock pot in the cabin. But I didn't plan on doing this, we're at the cabin. It's gonna go in the woods, we're actually gonna take our stuff down today. Do a little hunting in the morning. Do have my implements here if I need them, but this wasn't planned. But it's my day to cook. I gotta cook it like this, man. Actually, it might even be better because I'd rather cook it over wood than over fire. So I'll show you the stuff, man. I'll get back to you. Yeah, it's Quinn the Eskimo ferro rod on Instagram. This is what I'm putting on the fire. Kielbasa with the cloves on the top, and it's got a Ferns pineapple, Coleman's mustard, bunch of stuff going in there, onions. I want to cook this over a nice smoky fire. That's the best way to do it. Didn't plan on it because I want to get out in the woods, but I'm going to cook this up right now, baby. Oh yeah. So let this cook. Different kinds of wood in there. Will be good, man. And so it goes. It actually feels pretty good though. Lovely day. Beautiful day, man. Nice day in the neighborhood. Getting some nice smoke here. Yeah. Nice smoke. That's what I want. Smoke. Cook. I don't want to build this up too much. Just to get it nice. And I'll put it in a slow cooker. But things change. Sometimes for the better. But check this out. Oh yeah, she's cooking nice, man. Oh yeah. get a close-up of it. Not done yet, but yeah, let's just bring it right over right now. Look at that. Beautiful. We're good. What are you doing fine here? Got a nice little hatchet here too, Hudson Bay style. I don't know what make it is, my buddies here. But it's sharp. If I have time, maybe I'll make a spoon. It's supposed to rain tomorrow pretty bad, but pretty nice. But good. I got my one of my Nathan's ferro rods right here. Beautiful stuff.